So it's February 4th. In Chicago, we had about 20 inches of snow. Got the old S10 a little buried in there. I'm gonna try to drive her out. It's been about 3 weeks since I started it up, so it's gonna be a good snowed in cold start. Can't get in this way, so I'm gonna have to go in from the other way. Got some stuff in here. Needs a little cleaning. 332,000 miles. Oh, there we go. Running a little rough. Maybe give her a little bit of gas. It's kind of chilly out here. Sharp runner. We're gonna see what kind of pullout we got here. So we're in drive. And she's just slipping. She probably need to be shoveled out. Oh, maybe we got a little. Yeah, we're gonna have to go probably get the shovel out, bury her out. Well, we got some traction now. Let's see where we're going. Ooh, we're gonna get this one. Oh, there we go. Almost there. Yeah, we're out of the woods now. Maybe a couple more rocks. And we are free. That was a pretty good snow mound there. But we got her. 22 inches of snow, cold start, snowed and pull out. Chicagoland area.